Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'm gonna show that how to connect Tumblr to Facebook profile. For the settings you have to open your Facebook profile. Then you have to click here. After clicking here, you have to scroll to edit profile option. Then scroll down and you can see here edit icon, click to edit icon. Then click to update your information. Then click to contact and basic info. Then you can see here pen icon, click the pen icon here and scroll down again. Then you can see here add a social link option, click to add a social link and click on Instagram icon and scroll down again. And you can see here Tumblr option, click to TMBLR, then write your Tumblr account username. I write my Tumblr account username. Then click to save icon here. After clicking save icon, the Tumblr account has been added. Friends, that was the video topic. If this video helpful to you, please like, comment, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And press the bell icon for getting new videos notification. I will come with another new exciting video. Till then take care. Bye bye my dear friends. Bye bye my dear friends.